So we just replaced the housing. So this is how it used to look. So we replaced the entire housing. This is a broken back glass, broken housing. This is a broken screen. And this is the reason why we don't replace the glass alone. If you can see this metal part here, from inside you can see it has been out of shape. So this is the reason why we don't replace just back glass, but we replace the entire housing. And also you can see there is a damage here. Let me just focus here, because of which this whole part here is out of shape. So if it is out of shape, then there is no point in getting the glass replaced alone. So that is why we replace the entire housing. It's done. Broken housing, broken back screen is done. Here it is.